Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the front and rear cameras on the Motorola Moto G Stylus 2020 mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, take out the back cover from the body. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back card on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Next, create an opening using a suction cup and then insert a plastic cartwright tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Next, hold the fingerprint button and pull out the back cover from the body. Take out the back cover and then undo 9 screws to take out the logic board frame with the lens. Next, disconnect the battery plug by raising the fingerprint button. Next, release the adhesive and pull out the not working front camera from the board. Next, disconnect and pull out the not working primary, ultra-wide and macro cameras from the logic board. Next, replace the required broken camera with a new unit. Next, secure the new primary, ultra-wide and macro cameras to the board. Next, place and secure the new front camera to the board. Next, secure the battery connector. Next, secure the board frame by adding 9 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the rear car with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.